In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a record in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you don't accidentally remove important data. Let's start from your Zoho CRM home screen. First, you need to navigate to the module that contains the record you want to delete. A module is simply a section like Leads, Contacts, or Accounts. Look at the navigation toolbar across the top or side of your screen and click on the appropriate module. For example, if you want to remove a customer record, you might head into Contacts, or if you're cleaning up company information, you might choose Accounts. Once you're inside that module, you'll see the list view, which is basically a table of all the records stored there. Take a moment to locate the specific record you want to delete. You can scroll through the list, or, to save time, use the search bar or filters provided by Zoho CRM to narrow things down. Make sure you're selecting the correct record, because deleting it is a significant action. When you've found the right record, click on it to open its detail page. This page shows you all the information tied to that record, such as contact information, related deals, notes, or any custom fields your organization might be using. It's a good idea to quickly review this information and confirm that this is indeed the record you're intending to remove. On the record's detail page, look for the delete option. Depending on your layout or Zoho CRM version, this might appear as a trash can icon, or it might be tucked inside a More Actions menu, often represented by 3 dots. Open that menu if needed, and then choose Delete. As soon as you click Delete, Zoho CRM will prompt you to confirm the action. This confirmation is important because deleting a record is usually permanent. When you confirm, remember that you're not just removing the main record itself. Any child records and related activities connected to it will also be deleted. For example, if you delete an account, the contacts and deals associated with that account will go too. Take a final moment to double-check, and if you're absolutely sure, confirm the deletion. Once done, the record and its related data will be removed from your Zoho CRM.